This seasoning spices with this smoky aroma combined with the earthen flavors and the raw mutton that we'll be using, the whole dish will be transferred to the next level of perfection and satisfaction. Do try this earthy, raw, very delicious, simple and one pot recipe of mutton, basically known as mutton handi. Stay tuned for the entire recipe. Hey guys, I am Subhankari and I welcome you all to my channel So's Food Corner English, and I hope you all are doing great in your lives. If you are new to my page, do subscribe to my page. Do not forget to tap the bell button. Thank you all for loving my channel so much and liking my videos. So let's begin with the recipe. So here I have taken some mixed whole spices, some cinnamon, green cardamom, black cardamom, nutmeg, cloves, bay leaves. So basically I would be first grinding this, but here's a small catch. First I'll be adding all the whole spices to this blender, and then I'll grind it in pulse mode 2 to 3 times so that I can get a coarsely grinded whole mixed powder. This is it. I'll remove around 1/4 of it, and then if you want you can also remove the cover of this green cardamom and add it to the blender, because the remaining will nicely blend into a very fine powder. Both have the same ingredients, but the texture and use of both is entirely different. Here I have taken some ginger, garlic and green chilies. I'll nicely crush them, and now to a nice beautiful earthen pan I have added around half kg of finely sliced onions, because I have taken here around 1 kg of mutton cut into normal curry size pieces. You can also add some extra fat for the greasing. Some salt I'll be adding around 1 tablespoon according to taste, and now it's time to mix. The onions, ginger, garlic and green chili with the salt will help to soften this mutton, especially break down the tissue. I just mix it and keep it for just 15 to 20 minutes, and after 15 to 20 minutes I'll be adding the rest of the spice mix powders. And after 20 minutes, here comes the next step. Coriander powder 2 tablespoon, roasted cumin powder 1 teaspoon, and here I have some red chilli powder, depends upon according to your taste. Some turmeric powder, bay leaves whole I have added, and the garam masala powder that we had prepared, the fine one, and smoked mustard oil. I have taken around 150 ml of mustard oil. Little I'll save for later, and I'll nicely smoke it till it becomes smoky hot, and this goes in for the sizzling sound and it will give a very nice tempering. And now it's time to mix, and I'll mix nicely for around 2 to 3 minutes, then cover it and leave it for 2 to 3 hours minimum. You can also leave it overnight, again it will enhance the taste. Completely depends upon your choice. And here to cook this mutton I have taken a nice earthen pot. I have used this pot multiple times, and to this I'll nicely coat some mustard oil, and there goes at the base the coarsely grinded whole garam masala, the spices, and then I'll be adding the marinated mutton. So I'll just fill this. Actually this handi or this cookware I have used multiple times, so I know how much amount can be fitted to this pot. Again it depends upon your cookware. 2 whole garlic bulbs are added. This gives a very nice flavor, and let's begin the process to give the extra smokiness. So here I have taken a nice steel bowl. I have added some burning charcoal, a few pinch of this whole garam masala for the extra zing, and here I have added 1 tablespoon mustard oil and cover it immediately so that the smoke that is released is nicely absorbed by our mutton pieces. And this actually differentiates the taste of this dish from other mutton dishes, because the smoky flavor will give a very unique flavor to this recipe. And half a cup water I will be adding around 70 to 50 ml. So this is the rinsed ginger garlic water. You can use the regular water, and I have kept some kneaded dough, normal basic kneaded dough that we use for rotis and all, and I'll use this to seal this handi so that all the flavors will remain intact. This is done, and now it's time to add the remaining 50 ml of mustard oil. 100 ml I had added earlier, and now I'll be adding 50 ml more. So I have used around 150 ml of mustard oil for 1 kg of mutton. You can also increase the amount of oil according to your taste. So it's done. Now it's time to keep it for dum, and here I have used normal regular gas. So initially I'll be cooking this handi on high flame for around 10 minutes, and then I'll reduce the flame and leave it for 15 minutes, and after 15 to 20 minutes when the steam starts to release, now it's time for the first mixing. So I'll switch off the flame carefully. I please recommend here, do very carefully, remove the handi from the flame, put a cloth and nicely just mix it in this way, because we don't want this dum process to hamper. So nicely just I'll mix it and again keep it on flame, in low flame, for next 15 minutes. So basically I continued this for 1 hour 2 to 3 times, and after 1 hour now it's time to finally open the lid, because the mutton had been sitting on flame for around 1 hour now, and this is the universal time, because normally 1 hour is enough, but for some mutton or some meat 1 hour may not be enough. So after 1 hour you can uncover it and check it in this way. So I feel maybe I need more 15 minutes. So now I'll just mix it, cover the lid and cook it for more 15 minutes, and after 15 minutes I'll switch off the flame, and then I'll remove from flame and give it resting time for 10 to 12 minutes. So after 10 to 12 minutes the mutton is completely done. You can see the rogan has oozed out, or the oil has oozed out, and for me the consistency, the texture, the aroma is just perfect. You can see the garlic is still intact, yet it has become soft and mushy, mingled with all the flavors, and the mutton is perfectly cooked. Goes best with some hot rice or rotis, and the consistency you can see is semi thick. Do try this lovely recipe, you will be in love with the flavors. If you have loved my video, do give a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my page. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life and happy fooding.